Hey, if you wonder how you can flip a picture on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, so the only way to do this is to use external application. So you will have to go into the Google Play Store and get this application, Flip Image Mirror Image. You will have to input this phrase in the search, then click on the install button, and when the installation is finished, you will have to just open it, and then you will have to select images to flip. So you will have to click here. By the way, you can find here pop-up ads, but this is like free application, so this is the reason why you have ads here. But you can buy Pro, so you'll actually get rid of these ads. Then pick the photo. So let's get, for example, with this one. Now as you can see, this is the ad that we have to watch. You can quickly mute the sound by clicking on the sound icon. And then let's stop here to continue to the application, and now click here to flip horizontal. There we go. And as you can see right now, you can just save by clicking in the right upper corner, and image was saved. So now we can view this image, and that's how it looks. And if you are looking for this photo in your phone storage, then you can quickly go into the images and go into the flip pick, and that's it. So that will be all right now. Please subscribe and see you in the next one.